Hi friends, this is Abhijit here, and it's been a week since I have been away from the terminal. So just thought of sending a quick video to all, just trying to analyze what actually the index was trying to do. So this is 20th December. If you can see this big red candle here, this was the day when I had started to travel, and by the time I saw the market, I saw a deep cut in the market. So after that, we have seen approximately 4 days of trading, and in those 4 days, market has closed exactly almost at the same point, except for today. For today, we have closed a little bit higher than previous 3 days, and again, if you see, there was a range of last 3 days which was around 23,850 to 23,650, right, which is a 200 point range, and the market was trading in between this range here and here, right? So now if you see here, I have drawn few lines here which will clearly tell you the important levels on the market. If you see this, the first line, we will just leave out these two higher levels. These two higher levels come out in question only when this level of 23,920, somewhere around that, is taken away. If this is not taken away, we will have to be very cautious. So this level is 24,200. This is the biggest this will be the biggest achievement for the bulls if somehow if we are able to reach there, right? So note down, the first level will be 23,920. We face resistance exactly from that point, and a daily close above this level can push the shorters out of the game very quickly. On the downside, the most important level is 23,550, and most probably this level could be tested. However, this level, testing of this level will come into question only when 23,650 levels are taken away. So this is the level, and if you ask me, there is one remote possibility. I'm not saying this would happen, this may happen, that this 23, 170, 180 levels, which if you note was the high of 4th June 2024, which was the election day. This could be tested. However, a test of 23,550 or maybe somewhere around this 23,350 could be good for the index. We can see higher levels. So again, I'm not saying that we'll go down. I'm just letting you mark the levels, that you can keep these levels in your eyes, and you can remember these levels. Always remember, being a technical analyst, our job is not of forecasting as market will go up or go down. We can only anticipate the market. We can play only based on risk reward. So every level has a risk reward attached to it. So we cannot say that market will go up. Market works like an if then else loop. If this happens, we will do that, else we will do that. So in simple terms, if we go above 23,920, 940 levels and close above that, we'll go long. If we close below 23,650 and close below that, we'll go short. So this is how market works. So note down these levels. Then if you look at Bank Nifty, we again, like the previous chart, we have marked few levels here. This one is 51,000 levels, a very important level. Below this, definitely you can see 50,500 levels coming into play, which is again the 200 SMA for Bank Nifty. So there are high chances of this level being tested. Any up move on Bank Nifty, this would come only above this level, 51, 650, 680 levels, somewhere around that. If we start to close above that, then we can see some up move. Other than that, till the time this level is not taken away, we should not be anticipating any up moves. Again, 200 SMA could be a good point. And then there is this level of 52, 260, 250. Since Bank Nifty is a big index and there the the range is broader, so 20-50 points here and there does not matter much here, right? So 52-250 could be a good point of resistance for Bank Nifty. You can so if it goes there, we could have some chances of shorting at that point also. So keep these levels in your mind: 50,500, 51,000, and 51,650. Till the time we are in between 51,650 and 51,000 levels, this 650 point range, I would avoid any kind of position, whether long or short. Okay, on the lower end, you can take a long with a stop loss. I'll repeat again, you can take a long with a stop loss and with no bias. If your stop loss is taken away, keep a very thin stop loss. If stop loss is taken away, you can try to get in some short positions almost immediately, right? So 51,000 becomes the most important level. So these will be the only levels that I would be watching today, and or rather say in the coming week, on both the indexes. We are not under any kind of bias. Let's have a look on the weekly chart also of Bank Nifty. If you see the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, we have formed some bullish harami kind of a pattern on the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. So maybe let's see how it performs in the coming week. So coming week becomes very crucial for both the indexes. Similarly, a similar pattern can be observed on Nifty also, where you can see a bullish harami. So again, signs of trend reversal on weekly chart, but again, you cannot say anything until the trend has reversed. So just keep your eyes open. And that's it for today. I'll come back with some more analysis maybe next week. Till then, bye bye.